Hi, so this is my final project. It's basically a photocell piano. Basically, we have a photosensor right there that, depending on how little light it receives, it plays a higher tone. And that is based off of the resistance, and it's fed back into an Arduino kit that reads that as data and then outputs the data as a tone to the speaker right there. And the whole thing is currently being monitored by a graph, so you can see it's high resistance right now. But if I put my finger, also if I touch the resistor, it'll turn on that LED. And this is not the highest note right now. If we completely cover it, that's the highest note. And you can see it plays based on how much light. So if it's completely light, or there's most light, it won't play anything. But as the light drops, or as the resistance drops, it plays a higher note. There we go, that's the high C. So it plays lower C to high C. Basically, it plays 8 notes based on resistance. So yeah, that's the whole project. And the circuitry behind it, it's basically just connected to Arduino. There's also a small transistor to amplify current to the speaker to make sure it runs properly, and then another side branch to power the LED when it hits a certain current, or when it hits a certain resistance. Yep, that's it. Thank you.